Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to second generation of GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. The battery is located under the front hood on the driver's side. It's right here. Now, to be able to remove the battery, first you'll have to remove a couple of things on top of it. Now this piece right here, this is the battery holder. It will be held by a couple of 10mm nuts. You'll have one here and one here, so you can start by removing those. Okay, once the nuts are off, you can remove this holder. Okay, and get it off the way. Now the next thing, you can't really remove this complete piece without first disconnecting the battery terminals. I will show you why here. So if you leave this cover up, actually I will lift everything up. Okay, you will see here that the terminal is connected to this board. So what you first have to do, you'll have to here disconnect the terminal, and then once the terminal is disconnected, try and leave this piece completely off. But always make sure to first disconnect the negative battery terminal, then the positive, and when you're installing the new battery in, always first connect the positive, then the negative. Keep that in mind. Same thing, you will need a 10mm socket to remove the terminals. Now you don't have to remove these nuts all the way, just enough to loosen it up. Now once this is all nice and loose, you can try to wiggle it off, and most likely you'll be able to remove it. Now in some cases, if the battery wasn't replaced for a long time, you'll have hard time removing the terminals. In that case, what you can do, you can try prying it underneath with a flat screwdriver to get it off. If you still can't do it, what you will do, you will insert the screwdriver right here and gently tap it with the hammer here on the top, and that should loosen it up. And then once it's loose, again just wiggle it off. Other side, same thing, 10mm nut. Okay, now on this side I've loosened up this nut, but as you can see here, somebody in the past over tightened this terminal, so I'm having hard time remove it. I can't really wiggle it off, right, to be able to get it. So what I will do, I will remove this nut right here, and you might have to do the same, and that should give me a chance to wiggle this piece left and right and get it off. I can't really even reach with my flat screwdriver underneath it. So what I will do, I will remove this nut, and that should help me out. This nut will be 13mm. Okay, and once you have it off, now you should be able to wiggle this piece off. I'll have to use both of my hands to do this and the screwdriver, because like I said, you see, somebody just over tightened it here and it's really hard to remove. That's something I was mentioning, right? So I'll have to use my flat screwdriver, try to separate it here a bit more, and then wiggle it off, right? I'll show you. See, I'll have to kind of just pry here, you see, to separate it, and then wiggle it off. That's why I have to use both of my hands. Okay, so I've got it off. I'll put it on the side, and now we have to remove this whole piece. And to do that, you'll have still one more tab just here, which you have to kind of deattach from the battery. Okay, and now all this is loose, but Unfortunately, I still cannot completely remove it. Now this has to go off, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm doing this for the first time as well on this vehicle, and as far as I can see, there are two options right now: either to remove the PCM to get it off the way and then slide this to the side, because right now I cannot move it due to the PCM being here, right? That's one option, and the other option is just completely disconnect all of this wiring on the top and then remove this piece to be able to gain access to the battery. Yeah, it is what it is. I mean, possibly if you disconnect this wire right here, you would be able to lift this up high enough to be able to get the battery out, but the best idea is probably just disconnect everything and do it that way. So there's a couple of nuts here, right, and one here and a connector here, and hopefully that will do it. I started by removing these two. They're both 13 millimeters, same like this one here. To remove the small nuts, you will need 8 millimeter socket. Okay, and now I have all of these guys off, right? I didn't have to disconnect anything here, and now you can just flip this over. And as far as I can see, this is pretty much the only and the best way to do this. It's better not to touch the PCM, disconnecting that can cause a bunch of other problems. So safest way to remove the battery is just to completely remove that top piece just by disconnecting these guys. So it's not too bad. Like I said, I'm doing this for the first time as well on this vehicle, and I had to figure out how it goes, but this is the way to do it. And now you can leave this plastic cover as well off the battery. Okay, I'm doing it with one hand, so now that's it. You can lift the battery up, right, and install the new battery. Yeah, that's how you do it on second generation of GMC Terrains, made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. One more tip: when you're installing the new battery back in, make sure to pay attention to these numbers, right? They have to be 1, 2, 3. Don't mix them up, because you will cause lots of problems. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.